Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear step-by-step guide on how to add a core network to MetaMask, or how to add core network in MetaMask. So we get started with a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to open the MetaMask, then click the MetaMask icon in your browser or probably on your mobile phone. Just make sure you launch the app or the browser extension on your device. Then from there, click the network drop down at the top of MetaMask. It typically says Ethereum network or whatever network you're currently connected to. So click it to view your network list, then select add network or add network manually. So once you click on that, fill in these details, which is the network name. You can basically add it to your core. You can name it to be your core network. Then your new RPC URL, you can make it rpc.coredao.org. Then make sure you input your chain ID, your currency symbol, then your block explorer URL. So once all these details is being added, click on save. The MetaMask will now connect to core network, and that's how you can simply add core network in MetaMask. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.